We often think of luxury as the height of extravagance and resource consumption. But what if the waste we discard holds the soul of high-end fashion? Welcome to a world where discarded scraps are no longer the end, but a beginning. We are witnessing a revolution that turns trash into pure elegance. This is the paradox of modern luxury. From the fields to the prestigious boutiques of Paris, the definition of craftsmanship is being rewritten for a greener future. Can you believe that this stunning piece of art was once nothing more than agricultural residue? Today, we explore the incredible journey of vegan leather masterpieces. Looking down from above, the scale of our agriculture is immense. Yet behind every harvest lies a massive shadow of waste that traditionally has no purpose. Millions of tons of organic matter are burned or left to rot every single year, releasing carbon and wasting the potential hidden within their tough fibers. The statistics are staggering, but within these numbers lies an opportunity. By capturing this waste, we can stop the cycle of destruction and start creating beauty. This is the dawn of the vegan leather revolution. It is where sustainability meets sophistication, proving that we do not need to sacrifice our planet for style. The magic begins with the rescue. Instead of allowing these pineapple leaves to be burned, farmers now gather them as the foundation for a new industry. These hands, which have tilled the earth for generations, are now part of a global supply chain for luxury, breathing new life into every discarded stem. Every leaf saved is a step toward reducing CO2 emissions. What was once a burden for the farmer has now become a valuable resource for innovation. The extraction process is delicate. We peel back the layers of nature to find the hidden strength within, harvesting the fibers that will become high-quality leather. Purification is essential. Clear, rushing water cleanses the fibers, removing any organic debris and ensuring that only the purest material moves forward in the process. Under the warmth of the sun, the fibers are dried until they are light and airy.
Okay, drop it.
This natural processing stage preserves the integrity of the plant structure. Quality control starts in the field. Each strand is inspected and prepared with the same care as the finest silk, destined for a much grander purpose, bundled and ready. These fibers travel from the rural heartlands to high-tech laboratories, carrying the promise of a sustainable transformation that will soon shock the world. The journey continues in a realm of science. Here, the raw power of nature is refined by the brilliance of human engineering and cutting-edge technology. Every gram is measured with absolute precision. In this laboratory, we are not just recycling, we are re-engineering the very fabric of the fashion industry. The transformation begins as we break down the fibers into their basic elements. This fine powder is the blank canvas for our upcoming material masterpiece. Next, we introduce the secret ingredient, bio-based resins. This mixture creates a powerful bond, blending the strength of plants with the flexibility of modern polymers. As the mixture thickens, it takes on a new life. This is not the plastic-heavy synthetic leather of the past, but a truly sustainable hybrid material. At the molecular level, something incredible is happening. These organic chains interlock, creating a structural integrity that rivals the most durable animal hides in existence. Under intense heat and pressure, the liquid mixture is forged into solid sheets. This industrial process ensures that the material is uniform, strong, and lasting. The first sheets of raw vegan leather emerge. It is a moment of triumph for science, proving that we can create luxury materials without harming any creatures. Technicians test every batch for consistency. The goal is to achieve a hand feel that is indistinguishable from the traditional luxury materials that consumers have always loved. Precision is the hallmark of high-tech production. Every sheet is trimmed to perfection, ready to be handed over to the masters of texture and color. This is data-driven design. We are optimizing nature's own building blocks to create a material that is not only beautiful, but also highly functional for daily use. Durability is non-negotiable. Our lab tests ensure that this material can withstand the elements, making it a practical choice for the modern, busy lifestyle. We look deeper into the soul of the material. By understanding the microstructure, we can continuously refine the manufacturing process for even better results. From thin linings to thick outer shells, the possibilities are endless. This laboratory is the birthplace of a whole new category of sustainable luxury products. Now the material receives its visual identity. incorporates iconic patterns like Epsom and Togo into the surface, giving it that classic luxury aesthetic. The texture is remarkable. Every line and pore is replicated with stunning accuracy, catching the light exactly like the finest skins from the traditional tanneries. Color brings the material to life. We use only organic, non-toxic dyes to create a spectrum of vibrant hues, from deep forest greens to rich earth tones. The saturation is perfect. These dyes penetrate deep into the fibers, ensuring that the color remains vivid and beautiful for years, without ever fading away. A palette of conscience. Choosing vegan leather doesn't mean limiting your style. It means expanding it with colors that are as bold as they are ethical. No compromise on quality. Every sheet undergoes rigorous abrasion testing to ensure it can survive the friction and movement of everyday life without scuffing. We push the limits of strength. Our bio-leather is designed to be tough, resistant to tearing, and capable of holding its shape under significant pressure. The final finish adds a layer of protection and beauty. This bio-coating ensures the bag is stain resistant while maintaining a soft, luxurious touch for the user. The result is a masterpiece of material science. This roll of black leather is smooth, supple, and absolutely indistinguishable from the highest grade of calfskin. It is the tiny details that matter. By mimicking the subtle imperfections of nature, we create a product that feels authentic, soulful, and deeply premium, ready for the atelier. These rolls carry the weight of a sustainable future, prepared to be transformed by the world's most talented leather artisans. A library of innovation. From waste to wealth, these materials are the new gold standard for a fashion industry that finally cares about its footprint. But science is only half the story. To become a true luxury icon, the material must now meet the legendary skills of the human hand. In the quiet of the atelier, the artisan takes over. Every cut is deliberate, guided by decades of experience and a deep respect for the material. Here, time slows down. The fast-paced world of technology meets the slow, meditative rhythm of manual labor, where perfection is the only acceptable outcome. The hand stitch is a signature of true luxury. It provides a strength and aesthetic that no machine can ever truly replicate, one stitch at a time. Every edge is polished and painted. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that the bag looks perfect from every angle, even the parts you rarely see. The sounds of the workshop are a symphony of tradition. Each tap of the hammer and pull of the thread adds a layer of soul to the bag, the brand's seal of approval. This logo represents a commitment to excellence and a promise that the owner is wearing a piece of the future. Hardware is the jewelry of a handbag. We use the finest recycled metals to complement our vegan leather, ensuring the entire product is ethically sourced. Form and function unite. The material's natural flexibility allows the artisan to sculpt shapes that are both modern and timeless, designed to last a lifetime. The final polish is a moment of reflection. The artisan looks at the finished piece, knowing they have helped turn agricultural waste into a high-end treasure. A masterpiece is born. Every bag is boxed with the same reverence as a diamond, ready to find its home with someone who values true sustainability. From the dirt of the fields to the pinnacle of fashion, this is the ultimate journey of redemption for the Earth's most humble materials. Luxury has a new face. It is conscious, it is bold, and it carries the message of a world that is healing through better choices. Our choices define the future. When you carry this bag, you are not just making a fashion statement, you are advocating for a healthier, greener planet. By choosing plant-based luxury, we reduce our reliance on cattle ranching and chemical-heavy tanning. Allowing our forests to breathe and our ecosystems to thrive, this is our promise. Fashion for future is not just a slogan, it is a movement to harmonize our desires with the needs of the earth. The power is in your hands. Every purchase is a vote for the world you want to live in. Choose wisely, choose beautifully, choose green. From agricultural waste to a luxury icon, the future of fashion is here, and it is as vibrant and resilient as nature itself. Join the revolution.